In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clip order in CapCut PC. If you need to rearrange your video clips, move a shot to the beginning, or simply swap the sequence of clips in your timeline. This is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. It's quick, clean, and helps you keep your edit organized without creating accidental gaps in your project. To begin, the first thing you want to check is your timeline snapping behavior. Look just above the left side of your timeline edit lanes, where you'll see a small toolbar. In that area, make sure the main track magnet icon is turned on. This setting is very helpful because it allows clips to snap together automatically as you move them. That means when you drag one clip to a new position, the remaining clips stay connected, instead of leaving empty black spaces behind. If you want a smooth and tidy timeline while reordering footage, this is an important setting to have enabled before you start. Once that's ready, go to the clip you want to move on the track lane 1. Click and hold the video block, then drag it left or right along the timeline. As you move it, pay close attention to the bright yellow vertical indicator line that appears between clips. This line is your placement guide, and it shows exactly where the clip will be inserted when you let go. Taking a second to watch that indicator can help you avoid dropping the clip in the wrong spot, especially if you're working with several clips close together. When you're happy with the position, simply release your mouse button. CapCut will immediately place the clip into its new location and automatically shift the surrounding media clips to match the new order. This makes the process feel very fast because you don't need to manually move every clip one by one after the change. The software handles the adjustment for you, which is ideal when you're refining story flow or testing different edit sequences. After that, press the spacebar to play back your timeline and review the new arrangement. This is a good habit because even a small clip movement can affect pacing, transitions, or the overall feel of the edit. Watching it back right away lets you confirm that the new order works the way you intended, and that's it. You've successfully changed the clip order in CapCut PC and updated the flow of your video with just a few simple actions.